morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. Let's crack it with Mahi. Here I'm making the video for marks analysis of GPSTR 2022 paper of maths and science. As I have uploaded the videos of syllabus and division of marks, how many marks for paper 1 for different subjects, and for paper 2 there is one maths and one science post. In maths post, some aspirants are confused that why we should rate biology part for maths post, as we are having PCM in BSc. So why we should study biology? But biology is also important. They have divided the marks for biology also. So science students are also same for biological science post. They should rate maths as they cover the about 29 marks of maths in biology post. So aspirants, maths part is important for biology teacher also, and biology part is important for maths teacher also. So here I am explaining you how the marks division occurs in this part. So here the paper consists of different questions. Here I'm explaining different maths and science questions is there. So there are total of 150 marks. 150 marks for paper 2. So for 150 marks for paper 2, that is divided into 50 marks for MCQs. In that 50 marks, how many questions are of maths and how many questions are for science? So in this 50 marks for maths post, there is science questions of 29 marks and maths questions of 21 marks. Science includes all physics, chemistry and biology. And maths question, 21 questions for 25 marks. Then there is descriptive paper for 100 marks. So in descriptive paper there is three divisions, part 1, part 2 and part 3. In first part 1 there is having 8 maths questions. 8 maths question, they have not asked science question. Then 8 maths question, that is each question carries 2 marks. So total of 16 marks. Then part 2 there are 24 questions. In that 24 questions, 12 science questions are there and 12 maths questions are there. Here each question carries 3 marks, so total of 72 marks. And last part 3, they have not asked maths questions. There are only 3 science questions which consist of 4 marks. So it is of total 20 marks. So your descriptive paper is of total of 100 marks. So this is I'm explaining for mathematics post. Okay, mathematics and science post. So here all subjects are important. Biology is also important. Okay, next there is one more is biological science post. In biological science post, what is there? Here also the paper pattern is same. Paper pattern is of 50 MCQs and then next is descriptive paper, 100 marks. So in that 50 MCQs, there is 42 science questions and 8 maths questions. Okay, the next part 1 is of same 16 marks, but here questions are different. Here they have asked 5 science questions for biological science post, I am telling, and they have asked 3 maths questions. Okay, the next part 2 is same 24 questions, but here 19 questions is from science and plus 5 questions from maths. So each question carries 3 marks here and same 72 marks of total. The next part 3 is of similar 3 questions they have asked from science. Then here each question carries 4 marks, then here is also of total 12 marks. So I am telling here that The maths and science post aspirants cannot ignore biology part because it consists of some marks. You cannot lose your seat or lose your job by uh, quitting biology. And biological science method aspirants cannot quit mathematics and cannot leave those 29 marks here. I think total of 29 marks from mathematics part. So each mark is important in the exam. Some while I have given GPSTR 2022 exam, in my batch some aspirants have lost their job for 1 marks also. So each marks is important in the paper. Okay. So one more thing I have to tell, that as English medium students are there who can also write the GPSTR exam. Okay, so why I'm telling, because here first method, first language is English for English medium students, second language is Kannada. So you can apply in Kannada medium schools for teaching maths and science. Many people, many aspirants are not aware about this. I was also not aware. So I got to know and I have applied for GPSTR, and Alhamdulillah I have cracked it, and I'm doing job. So here I want to tell you that English medium students which is they who are having second language Kannada, they can also write the GPSTR exam.